AI, everything you need to know about this powerful new technology. Artificial intelligence (AI) is a field of computer science that focuses on creating machines and software that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks can range from simple ones like recognizing speech or images, to more complex ones like decision-making, language translation, and even creativity. Here are some key concepts and applications of AI. Machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves the use of statistical algorithms to enable machines to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks, which are modeled after the human brain, to recognize patterns and make decisions. Natural language processing (NLP). NLP is a branch of AI that focuses on enabling machines to understand and interact with human language. NLP is used in chatbots, language translation, and voice assistants. Robotics. Robotics is a field of AI that involves creating machines that can perform tasks autonomously or with human assistance. This includes drones, autonomous vehicles, and humanoid robots. Healthcare. AI is being used in healthcare to assist with diagnosis, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery. Finance. AI is used in finance for fraud detection, risk management, and portfolio management. Marketing. AI is used in marketing for customer segmentation, recommendation engines, and chatbots. As with any new technology, AI raises ethical and social issues around job displacement, privacy, and bias. It is important to ensure that AI is developed and used in a responsible and ethical manner. Types of AI. AI can be classified into three categories: narrow or weak AI, general or strong AI, and superintelligence. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, such as recognizing faces or playing chess. General AI, on the other hand, would be able to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. Superintelligence would be even more advanced than general AI and would potentially be able to surpass human intelligence in every way. Training data. In order for AI algorithms to learn, they require large amounts of data to be trained on. This data can come from a variety of sources, including online databases, user-generated content, and sensors. However, the quality of the data can impact the accuracy of the AI system. Bias in AI. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and if the data contains bias, then the AI system will also be biased. This can lead to discriminatory outcomes, such as biased hiring practices or racial profiling. It is important to ensure that AI systems are designed to be unbiased and that the data they are trained on is diverse and representative. AI ethics. As AI continues to advance, it is important to consider the ethical implications of its use. This includes issues such as privacy, accountability, and transparency. For example, it may be difficult to hold an AI system accountable for a mistake or decision, and it may be necessary to develop new forms of regulation and oversight to ensure that AI is used ethically. Future of AI. AI is rapidly advancing and is expected to have a significant impact on many industries and aspects of society in the future. Some experts predict that AI will lead to significant job displacement, while others believe that it will create new jobs and opportunities. Regardless of the outcome, it is clear that AI will continue to play a significant role in our lives for many years to come.